So I knew Dr. Ricky. We were from the same locality, and he was a member of the Boxer Presbyterian Church, and we used to meet very often. Before the days he ever thought of joining politics, well, actually at that time he was a faculty of St. Edmund's College, during which one of my seniors in school was the principal of the college. So I was quite a regular visitor there, and I was not in politics at that time too, as I'm talking about 1997. And we used to meet often and talk, nothing but politics, just about education. Subsequently he joined Nehu, and I remember clearly that he was also residing there. He had a quarter allotted to him, where sometimes we used to go and spend the evenings together among friends. But since there was a bit of a gap in age difference, not a bit, he used to call me uncle. He said, I'm coming to your place, you make sure you have some dinner for me. He says, no problem, uncle, we'll do that. So that was our association, more as a much younger to me. And subsequently, when he joined politics, we were all surprised. Because Ricky, late Dr. Ricky, I used to call him Ricky, I said, how will you manage? He said, no uncle, I want to do it. This was, I think, when he fought for Mumsni, 2023. But I think that was his calling. And when he won the elections of 2024, parliamentary, at the time of voting, if I'm not mistaken, his vote is still in Poxesa. He came to cast his vote. At the same time, I was doing mine. And I wished him, I said, Ricky, all the best. He said, thank you, uncle. After that, of course, you all know he won with a thumping majority, and I didn't see him much after that. But yesterday, sir, when that news came, I was sitting at home. Someone called me over the phone and said, did you hear the sad incident? I said, what sad incident? He says, Dr. Ricky is no more. I'm surprised, how come? So I looked out of my window, thinking if that was the case, because to reach Dr. Ricky's house, you have to pass my house. There was no movement. Then that's the time, sir, when you called me to confirm that we'll have to meet this morning. I went to the house yesterday, since I know his siblings who live there. And there was a huge gathering. I felt sad that such a promising, young politician, come gentleman actually. He was more of a gentleman than a politician. And like the Honorable Leader of the House said, he would have contributed tremendously to the development of our state as a parliamentarian. So, sir, what to say? These are God's ways. I only can pray that this family gets the strength to sustain this loss, to bear and shoulder this immense loss, and may God grant him eternal peace. So, Dr. Ricky,